Have you ever noticed you'll be looking up information on a web browser and before you know it, you're getting bombarded with ads? Well, the other day a friend told me something I could not believe, and I will tell you so that you can protect yourself. So what is artificial intelligence, also known as AI? According to the UK House of Commons Library, AI can encompass a wide variety of technologies, and one concern among many is using AI in employment recruitment or using AI for surveillance and monitoring work performance or health and safety in the workplace. Currently, there are no UK explicit laws governing the use of AI, artificial intelligence, and other algorithmic management tools in place. However, several current areas of law potentially restrict the use of these tools, and I will give you an example that illustrates this, as a recent case in America has just settled a lawsuit. So, because the UK has similar anti-discrimination laws, we'll talk about that in just a minute. So what's happened currently in the UK, the government wrote a white paper, also known as a policy paper, in March of 2023, titled A Pro-Innovation Approach to AI Regulation, which laid out the framework for current plans to regulate AI. The idea is to rely on the existing regulators and to follow 5 principles: safety, transparency, fairness, accountability, and contestability. Now, remember when I told you there was a recent case in America that just settled? Well, in September of 2023, in the New York federal court, a lawsuit was issued against Itutor Group, Inc. by the U.S. Equal Employment Opportunities Commission for using AI to make employment decisions. The algorithm weeded out older applicants. Can you believe that? So this company agreed to pay $365,000. They provide English language tutoring services to students in China. So if you want to read more about that case, I've left it in my description area below. The U.S. Commission, which enforces workplace bias laws, in 2021 launched an initiative to ensure that AI software used by U.S. employees complies with anti-discrimination laws. The EEOC has warned that it will focus enforcement efforts on companies that misuse AI. So that's one example how existing laws can ensure artificial intelligence is not being used unfairly. What's interesting is in September of 2023, a group of U.S. authors are suing Microsoft-backed programs for misusing their writings to train its popular artificial intelligence chat box. The defense is that it is fair use, which means it's not a copyright infringement. And we just did a video about that if you want to watch that as well. And the European Union is just as concerned, and they are in the process of introducing its AI Act, which will prohibit high-risk artificial intelligence, such as national-level social scoring, real-time remote biometric identification systems, such as CCTV cameras that identify individuals in public spaces, and much, much more. So they've taken an approach that will rank the levels of risk. So on to my shocking story that I think impacts all of us. So the other day, a friend of mine was talking about something that she wanted to buy. She wasn't looking online. She wasn't on any browser, but she was having a private conversation. After this conversation, she received ads of the very item that she wanted to buy. So I couldn't believe this. And I started to think about this phenomenon. Is your phone actually listening to you? And guess what? Your smartphone needs access to your microphone to use Siri. So if you think about it this way, there are a lot of apps that you're using that will need your microphone, such as Google Search, you've got Google Maps, there are WhatsApp. My TV even has the remote control, which I can speak into. So what you want to do if you want privacy, complete privacy, is go through those apps and set them up correctly. And I've left a link to surfshark.com if you want a step-by-step instructions on how to disable your microphone. And they also tell you about other measures that can keep you safe. For example, I've set up my apps only to have access to my microphone while I'm using them. So check out those links below. Artificial intelligence is here to stay. It's the future. It should benefit society, not spy on us. And, well, gosh, I don't know about you guys, but I don't know if I want to go back to reading maps. Can you imagine? And I've done a video on just that with a book review. So you can check that out in the links below. If you're interested in this topic, Yellow Shirt Dad and I are going live to discuss it. So why not join us and share your experiences or your concerns? You can see the links below for times. It'll be the 18th of October. And the time will show up in your local area. We'll be hosting the stream together on each of our channels, so you can find that on either Yellow Shirt Dad or my channel, Legal Minded Friends, YouTube channels, by going to our community page or going to videos in the subject headings. You'll see that. So see you then, or see you on the replay. Please like this video if you like this kind of content. Hit the subscribe button and the notification bell if you want to be notified when I'm going live or upload another video. I'm Karen Cole from Legal Minded Friends. Information is power, meaning if you know something, you can make decisions that are right for you.